So MAUSA chose the HP technology because the parts has isotropic properties. They have the same property in the 3X, X, I, Z. Also, HP technology doesn't need supports. And we can produce with high productivity. The machine doesn't stop. It works every day, from Monday to Sunday. And the most important thing for MAUSA is that we have the HP approval. We are part of HP.
We have a fantastic relationship with MAUSA. Many years ago, we started with this long journey together, always focusing on high added value technology, like this machine, which is the Matsuura LUMEX. The first one in Spain and Portugal, and they are the pioneers of taking this technology into the workshop. A technology that is capable of making great parts because it's a machine that can machine and print in the same process. 2026 is a fantastic year for Maquinser. We are having now growth in the market, new customers, and very interesting projects going on. So we are happy now to be in this moment. It's a pretty good moment.